Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. Name the currency of Romania. A. Yen. B. Ghana. C. Lira. D. Li. Answer is D. Li. When was the first cabinet of Pakistan established? A. 15 August 1947. B. 14 August 1947. C. 15 September 1947. D. None of these. Answer is A. 15 August 1947. Which temple did Mahmud Ghaznavi destroy? A. Amarnath Cave Temple. B. Somnath Temple. C. Kedarnath Temple. D. Shri Jagannath Temple. Answer is B. Somnath Temple. In which war did Tipu Sultan die? A. Anglo-Sikh War. B. Maratha War. C. Second World War. D. 4 Mysore War. Answer is D. 4 Mysore War. Which country has the least population growth? A. Japan. B. Australia. C. China. D. Italy. Answer is C. China. Lome is the capital of A. Togo. B. Ghana. C. Fiji. D. None of these. Answer is A. Togo. Pakistan, the Heart of Asia is a book written by Dash in 1950. A. Khwaja Nazmuddin. B. Muhammad Ali. C. Liaquat Ali Khan. D. Fatima Jinnah. Answer is C. Liaquat Ali Khan. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? A. Shah Jahan. B. Jahangir. C. Babur. D. None of these. Answer is C. Babur. Which country is present in the northeast of Pakistan? A. India. B. Afghanistan. C. China. D. Iran. Answer is C. China. What is the border length of Pakistan and China? A. 595 kilometers. B. 795 kilometers. C. 1080 kilometers. D. 1650 kilometers. Answer is A. 595 kilometers. Which country is present in the east? A. India. B. Afghanistan. C. China. D. Iran. Answer is A. India. What is the border length of Pakistan and India? A 795 kilometers, B 2912 kilometers, C 1912 kilometers, D 812 kilometers. Answer is B 2912 kilometers. Which country is present in the West? A. India, B. Afghanistan, C. China, D. Iran. Answer is D. Iran. What is the border length of Pakistan and Iran? A 909 kilometers, B 950 kilometers, C 1209 kilometers, D 80850 kilometers. Answer is A 909 kilometers. Which country is the northwest of Pakistan? A. India, B. Afghanistan, C. China, D. Iran. Answer is B. Afghanistan. What is the border length of Pakistan and Afghanistan? A. 950 kilometers, B. 1950 kilometers, C. 2250 kilometers, D. 750 kilometers. Answer is C. 2250 kilometers. What is present in the south of Pakistan? A. Arabian Sea, B. Caspian Sea, C. Red Sea, D. Aral Sea. Answer is A. Arabian Sea. How long is the coastal line of Pakistan? A. 1280 kilometers, B. 950 kilometers, C. 1046 kilometers, D. 860 kilometers. Answer is C. 1046 kilometers. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.